Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This week I've got a montage for you of my motorcycle build, which is a VS800. If you don't want to hear my waffle, I've put an extra bit at the end at about 3 minutes 30, which has just got music with it. But this is how my bike turned up. I bought it from London. It was originally a California model. And this is how it turned up. Somebody had set fire to it. The back part of the seat was burnt away, and somebody chopped the exhausts off short so they had no baffles in them. And I thought it would make a nice project, so I got to stripping it down. This took me about 3 weeks, start to finish, and stripped all the bits out of it, took the engine out, and got it prepped for painting the frame. Once the frame was painted, put it all back together, ordered a new exhaust system for it, painted all the, here's the prep for the tank and the side panels, and painted those all black. And then once everything was painted, rebuilt the motorcycle, made sure everything fitted, and as you can see, there's the old exhaust that had been slash cut, and there's my new exhausts. I ordered those from the States. They were a long time coming, but it turned out quite nice in the end. Here's the engine out and stripping down to a bare frame, and there's the frame on the bench with all its bits. That's after it's been painted. And there's the bike when it was rebuilt, just in black to start with, and I thought I'd do something a bit different, and I recovered the seats with some leather. A bit blurry, some of the photographs, but it's the only record I have. So here's a petrol tank when I finished painting it. This is before lacquer. I decided to go a bit wild with the airbrush and make it a bit more interesting. That's it after lacquer, and did the side panels as well on both sides, and there it is back together again. And it's almost finished. And there you have it. After 3 weeks, the end result. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have, please like and subscribe. Costs nothing to subscribe, and it helps the channel grow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.